Children, we have seen all the three methods of making water clean and transparent. Settling, that is keeping the water undisturbed and allowing it to settle. Second, swirling an alum. Swirling an alum helps the floating particles to settle down. And the third one, that is filtration. In settling, a sediment is formed at the bottom of the water. After swirling an alum, the rubbish float at the bottom and smaller particles settle at the bottom and the water becomes transparent. And in filtration, all the rubbish and soil particles remain on the cloth and we get clean water. Children, even though we have seen some methods of making muddy water clean and transparent, however, such water may still not be potable. So here you have got a new term, potable. Children, potable water means water safe for drinking, water that does not endanger our health in any way. When we drink it is called safe drinking water or potable water. Can you tell, in the rainy season the water of rivers and streams becomes muddy? Why do we not drink that water? Children, the rain mixes soil from nearby areas in water sources. There may be disease causing germs also in such water. Many outbreaks of diseases are caused due to drinking such water. Here, outbreak means sudden rise. Therefore, we should not drink such water. Second, when on an excursion, if you find that the water of a spring or well there has a bad smell, would you drink it? Children, excursion means a trip. We know that pure water has no smell, no taste and no color. So, if there is a bad smell in the water, we should not drink it. It is not safe for drinking. So, children, even after making the water clean and transparent, the water may contain microorganisms. Again, here microorganisms is a new term for you all. Children, micro means very very small and organism means a living thing. Microorganism means a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eye or even with a magnifying glass. So, we need an instrument to see microorganisms. That instrument is called microscope. So, children, microscope is an instrument for looking at very very small things which we cannot see with our eyes or even through a magnifying glass. Here you can see a picture of a microscope. If we take a bit of yogurt or a drop of buttermilk on a glass slide and place the slide under a microscope, we see very tiny living things in it. They are called microorganisms. These microorganisms convert milk into yogurt. They are useful for us. But all microorganisms are not useful. Some microorganisms cause diseases. When they enter our body, they are said to be harmful microorganisms. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. They are in soil, in water, in air, on rocks, that is, anywhere and everywhere. Even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not be able to see them. Now, though the water with such microorganisms look transparent, Would it be safe for drinking? No. So, how can we get safe drinking water? Children, we get safe drinking water by boiling, because boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevent diseases. So the water becomes safe after boiling, and this is called potable water or water safe for drinking. Children, here we have completed with the lesson. Let's revise what you have studied. Some substances dissolve in water, some substances do not. Some things float on water, some sink and settle at the bottom. In order to obtain clean water, muddy water is allowed to settle, that is called settling. After settling, the water is cleaned further by swirling alum in it or by filtration. Even in clean, transparent water, microorganisms can be present. It is necessary to have safe water for drinking. So, water must be boiled to destroy any microorganisms in it. Destroy means to kill microorganisms. Children, here we have completed with the lesson. You have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.